I am gonna show you how to do my hair today because people keep asking me. And then I also want your guys' opinion. I usually part my hair down the middle. I saw this TikTok and this girl parts her hair. She calls it the older sister side part. And I was like, wait, like if I was to ever do a side part, this is what I would want. What brush is that? The unbrush? I have the same hair texture as you. I've been dying. Really? My hair is slightly wavy if I was to let it air dry. Okay, so normally I feel like I part it down the middle. Is that down the middle? See, I do this thing where it's like not, it's not actually down the middle. I think right there is down the middle. Wait, is that really the middle? Oh, that looks like the middle. Okay, so I would say that I normally part my hair down the middle, but I wonder if I should do a side part. Okay, remember this. Middle part girly. You guys know me. But then this girl is like, it's called a older sister side part. So she goes from the middle, she goes diagonal, and then she brings it back to the center, and then she brings it. I have a cowlick right here. It's really irritating. I don't think it works. I see the vision. Okay, what do we think about this? It's a half side part. It might work better if you just use your hand to part your hair. And I don't think so. I wonder if it's supposed to be more pointed. This side of my head has more hair. So I feel like I should, if I wanted to do this part, I don't know. My forehead's just so large that sometimes I'm like, maybe I shouldn't do this middle part, but there's not much else I can do unless I get bangs. I think a middle part just makes sense. I kind of want to cut my hair right now. I'm gonna grab my scissors. See, my problem is I hate that my hair just wants to part like the sea. Like for once, could it just like not do that? Do you have extensions? I do have extensions in. I used to have beautiful full hair and then I bleached it and then I'm growing it back out. My hairstylist says I have incredibly thin hair. I just have a lot of thin hair, which is interesting. I do this really like not professionally. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna cut it. When I say bangs, I'm just gonna trim my bangs. I'm not gonna actually cut it. You know what I mean? Like I'm just gonna make them shorter. I feel like I cut so little, it's okay. Top 10 moments before disaster. Do I trim my bangs? Yes and no. I definitely go and get my haircut. It's just been a while. I've always trimmed my bangs like since I was younger. I think this just has to be shorter. These just have to be shorter. So I just have to commit. It's just hair. It will grow back. I actually think those are a good length. All right. Step one to my hair. You gotta make it slightly more dry than this. Like, you see how it's kind of wet or it's pretty damp? You want it to be damp, but not this damp. Okay, so now that's like slightly dry, this is how I've been starting to do my hair. I use this one on both sides of my hair. I go out away from my face. I used to go alternating curl, like in, out, away from my face, towards my face. But now to get a blowout look, which I'm obsessed with, I take this and I curl one side all the way from my face, the other side all the way from my face. The product I use is this. It's a heat protectant hairspray. Spray on damp or dry hair and style with desired heat. Spray on finished style for flexible hold. I just do that much. I wait for this to get hot and then I start small because it doesn't like large pieces of hair or layers. This is a Dyson Airwrap. Yes. Shout out to Peter because Peter got this for me for my birthday. It's pretty easy to use, which is the nice thing. Okay, so don't touch it. Don't touchy. Like let it sit here. You want it to sit. You know what I mean? Wait till this gets hot. How long do the curls hold? Forever. Why did you switch heads for it? Because the direction of the air changes. Like I'm trying to go out of my face and the way that I'm holding it, like I would have to hold it upside down. It's just easier. Like I would have to do this to get it to go away from my face. Does that make sense? If you do end up getting a Dyson Airwrap, it's really easy if you use smaller pieces of hair. It doesn't like big pieces of hair. And you want your hair to be basically dry. It does not do well with actual wet hair. I still use a curling iron sometimes. It just depends. Sometimes I'm lazy. Whether I use a Dyson Airwrap or a curling iron, I do the same thing. Like the technique is the same. Curl away from my face, use a heat protectant. I'm scared of heat damage. How do you like it? How do I like heat damage? I don't. Okay, so I just let that sit and then I'm gonna flip it back. It's on my head. Okay, same thing. So this is a little too damp. So I have to dry it just a little bit. Same thing. I use the one that goes away from my face. Okay, so the other thing about Dyson Airwraps are it's very hard with layers. Like the layers just piss me off. Like it actually just like irritates me. How long does it usually take to do your hair? Maybe like 15 minutes max. Do you feel the difference between heat protectant? I just like this heat protectant specifically because I like that it also is a hairspray. So I feel like it does help my curls hold. I'm not gonna brush it out just yet because I kind of f***ed up on this side. You can see in these random pieces that I really f***ed up. I'll go back in and touch up what I was too lazy on. Oh, honestly. Then I do my bangs. My bangs are kind of long right now, so it's just a little, we're in a moment. I'm gonna try to do them. I don't know, they are really uncooperative. Okay, water. For my bangs, I go on lowest power. Okay, I'm gonna go up in power 1. Okay, that is not in the center. What is wrong with my, what do you do about this goddamn cowlick? Like, it's pissing me off. One side is always perfect and one side is not, and it actually drives me nuts. It kills me. It makes me upset. There's nothing to be done about it. Unless I feel like I should get a perm. Like, they're just not right. They're not right. That's why when I had curtain bangs, it was so hard. Or yeah, we do this side part. Okay, wait, okay. So after all this, right? After we just did that. Don't look at my bangs. My bangs are not. I take a wide tooth comb and I brush through. That's basically it. My bangs are what they are. They just don't want to be anything but this, and that's okay. Show the back. You see it? So my hair is still slightly wet. Got a little lazy with it, guys. It looks really good. Maybe not to my standards. This is basically what I do. This is my like true everyday hair look. Sometimes I'll add more hairspray if I want it to finish, and that's it. But I feel like I want to explore this side part, but I don't know how to do that. I wonder if I should try it diagonal back, because maybe that will. Okay. Well, it's like a half side part. It's like a cheating side part. Not right yet, but I see the vision. Well, I don't really know how else to do the vision, but I do like that this is a side part without actually being a side part, because you start from the middle. I just think there's something wrong with my face in a side part. Okay, wait, what if I do the other side? So this way. Back that. My hair does not want to go this way. I think Alex ruined life. Oh, you guys like this side better. You like this side better than the other one? Oh, wow. It looks amazing, actually. Whoa. I'm very surprised by that. I'm so, okay, what about, why? It's framed nicely. Okay. So we like it like this. Wait, I really am, okay, are you guys lying to me? No, you wouldn't do that. I actually know you wouldn't do that. I know that you guys are truthful. Okay, I think I just need to fix it up a little bit. Is there something about it that I don't like? I feel like because of this cowlick, it needs to, and like this, and like I feel like it needs to, okay, if in my ideal world, I think that this would like, oh, that's like stunning. What? I'm not seeing what you guys are seeing. I just think I have a square forehead with this look. I'm gonna hide my eyes because I don't like my eye makeup today. So I'm just gonna like, oh, what if I was not looking at myself? Okay, now I have 700 different looks going on. Where are we? It looks so good. Oh my God. Okay, I do believe you. I don't think you guys would ever lie to me. I really don't. I'm like, you guys, you have my back. And I think that you would tell me truthfully if I look bad. I do believe that. People are kind of mean on the internet. But I guess I feel like I look old, which is not a bad thing. It just, I guess I'm like surprised that I feel like it aged me. Maybe. Be honest, are we giving millennial? Which is, hey, you know, I'm not a millennial, so mature look. Okay, I'm giving mature. Pixar mom? I don't want to be a Pixar mom. I mean, unless I have a fat ass, which in that case, why they're hot? Well, they're not in the hot that I want to be. I think it's my makeup. You're Virgoing. Whoa. Wow, that was a good way to snap me out of that. I'm not gonna lie. Am I really? You think so? I hate it. No, I'm really trying to believe you. Why? I think maybe it's because I like don't recognize myself. I think I like it better from over here.
One eternity later.
Okay, personally, I think this looks better. And you're probably like, Jodi, what did you change? And I'm gonna say, I see the difference. Personally, do you see it?